I probably need thicker straps. This might not hold too well, but it should do the job for now.
Enter the roundabout and take the second exit.
Electronic shaft. It's not designed to be a kick shaft.
As far as anxiety,
It was
Yeah, it wasn't finished yet.
nice. Yeah, they really did a good job on it.
Oh, cool.
It's like a little hunting watch.
30th of April 2023.
Yeah, so when me and Jimmy came the first time, that must have been like a couple months old.
Yeah.
Now it's just a community.
I thought I saw another cabin
Right
or
there.
something over there.
Oh yeah, it could be an outhouse.
Maybe.
Pretty creative.
No, I don't think. Yeah, they got to be built in an outhouse, right? Well, it's like held up by like sticks. Oh, trees. It's on stilt. It's
on
safe.
stilts?
Yeah.
Hey, so I bought a truck, and it is the truck that you would probably be expected. It's the Polygon. So this is actually the original Tesla that I was intended to get before the channel was even created. And here is the story of it. So in 2019, Tesla first announced the Cybertruck, and that's when I decided that, hey, that's a pretty unique truck. I think I'm gonna live out of it. So I put down my deposit, thinking that maybe in a couple of years, I'll be able to do van life with the truck. And I waited, nothing happened. It just keep delaying. And so I think it was 2021, 2 years later, I just wasn't able to wait longer and I didn't want a van. So I thought, maybe I can live out of a Model 3. So I bought a Model 3. Okay, that's a 3. At the time thinking that it shouldn't be long from now. I could probably drive around in the Model 3 and then maybe a year later, I'll be able to get a truck, do what I really want to do. So that's when I started my channel, driving across the country. A year later, nothing happened, and the 3 was very small. It worked totally fine, but I really wanted to have a little bit more space, so I traded in the 3 for the Model Y. It was, what year was it? Yeah, I think it was 2022. Okay, a little bigger now. Oh, it has a hatch, so maybe I could close this gap. Y. And now I'm in the Model Y. So I just keep doing what I was doing, going around, hiking, camping, and a bunch of other things. But finally, 2 years later, the truck is here. So it's now 2024. The Cybertruck has just started delivering in the US, but it wasn't yet available in Canada. It's very close now. I should be getting the truck at any time. And now, today it's 2025, May, April, end of April. And I have the truck for 2 months so far. It's finally here. And this is where I wanted to start with. This. The truck. 5 years later, I'm back to where I started. This is initially the vehicle that was going to enable me to live a nomadic lifestyle. So it's here, and this is the beginning of what I'm trying to build. And it consists of 2 primary pillars: people and another triangle. But this isn't the Cybertruck. It's something that I've been dreaming of one day that I would be able to, let's say, create. I won't tell you guys anything about it yet, because I don't know how long this will take. In the next 3, 5, or 10 years. But this is where I want to get to. But in the meantime, I got another triangle here. So I don't know if it makes sense. It makes sense for me. I'm probably not explaining this very well. And somewhere along this entire circle, I somehow got into making products, and you rarely see me now. That's kind of sad, but I guess I kind of just need to embrace the journey. So I won't even try to set you guys for an expectation about what's going to come up from this channel, because I don't know. I think for 2025, at least this year, I am trying to become a good operator. Along with that, I'm gonna be spending a lot of time building products for the Cybertruck. So hey, you probably won't see me a lot. I should go with Imperial or Metric. I should probably look at the parts catalog. I'm sure you guys are probably wondering how I'm sleeping in my truck. And the truth is, I have not fully moved into the truck yet. I've been crashing at a friend's house, but I'm slowly moving in. And one of the way that I've been sleeping is just back here. Super tiny space. It sucks to to be sleeping back here because I'm way too tall for this amount of space. But this is basically how it works. Sleeping bag, pillow, sleeping pad, all squished together, and then I'm basically just kind of sleeping like this. I'm not sure if you can see me. The first few nights definitely felt really awful, because look at this. Come on. Sometimes I try to put my feet all the way up to the window, but because of the angle, it doesn't last long. So I'm kind of like throughout the night just moving back and forth, left and right. Yeah, so that's one of the way. And then there is this cabin someone just randomly built on my favorite mountain in town. So I've been trying to also go there whenever I wanna really stretch out. I am waiting for a company in the States that's building a enclosed rooftop cab. something like that. Hopefully it's gonna be ready by this summer. Until then, I'm stuck in here. And this is what I've been working on, a slide for your cargo. This is version 1, pretty crappy, but it's gonna be sick when it's final.